Hi Boilermakers, fall is in full swing. We're here in front of the Hail Purdue Wall with what you need to know right now from Purdue University. University of Chicago professor Lars Hansen will join President Mung Chiang for the next installment of the Presidential Lecture series. The Nobel laureate is a leading expert at the forefront of economic thinking and asset price modeling. The event is free and will take place at 6 p.m. on October 17th in the Purdue Memorial Union North Ballroom. Purdue University Archives and Special Collections has digitized Neil Armstrong's paper speeches. The nearly 500 transcripts totaling 7,700 pages were donated from his wife in 2011. You can find the speeches on Purdue's online archives platform, eArchives. Boilermakers from all walks of life gathered in West Lafayette to celebrate homecoming. Check out the Homecoming 2024 photo gallery at purdue.edu/newsroom. Two-time Super Bowl champion and member of Purdue football's Den of Defensive Ends, George Karlaftis, is the guest in the latest episode of This is Purdue podcast. And the Purdue Board of Trustees meets for their October meeting Friday. A live stream is available on the board's website, and a special issue of Purdue Today will be sent out immediately following. Have a great week, and as always, boiler up.